Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to download the Nextdoor application on your mobile device. To download Nextdoor app on your mobile, first of all go ahead and open up your Google Play Store or your App Store. In the search box, type in Nextdoor and search. Look for the Nextdoor application in the search result, which looks like this, and tap on the Get button to start downloading the app on your device. Wait until the app gets installed and you will be able to get the Nextdoor application on your mobile device in no time. Nextdoor application is a neighborhood-focused social networking platform where you can connect with people in your local area. It allows you to stay informed about what's happening nearby, share local news, ask for recommendations, buy and sell items, and much more. So that is how you easily download the Nextdoor app on your mobile device in just a couple of steps. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.